Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add hero section on your Shopify store. So it's very easy. First, you can open your Shopify dashboard, then go to your online store here, and then go to themes, and then you can just click customize here, customize your theme. So if you don't know, hero is like a big banner of your store. So this is my hero. So this is default from my themes. If your theme doesn't have it or you have it but want to add more, I will show you how. So in the left here, there is template and you can just click add section here. And then there will be hero option. You can click it. It's up to you. And then there is my new hero, but it's in the bottom. I want to move it to the top. So just like this, you can just hold it and then move it to top. So there are two heroes on my homepage and I will add more content, maybe video later. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.